What if the highlight of someone's day could be you? Here's how to make that happen. I'm Brian Ford, and welcome to Self-Improvement Daily. There are just some people who make you feel good when you're around them, whose energy is uplifting, encouraging, and makes you feel like you can take on anything. It's a gift that they have and something we can do our best to embody in our own ways. However, many people don't have that personality type. But that's not to say you can't make people feel that way too. You just need to go about doing it differently, which is where I want to introduce the idea of being a day maker. Being a day maker means that you're the person that makes someone else's day. That when they're reflecting on the day and putting their head to bed at night, your interactions with them come to mind as one of the highlights. If it doesn't come naturally to be the light in the room for others, then we can make an effort to infuse our energy into other people's lives in our own way. And the best way to know how to do that is by thinking about how people have made your day. Was it a call out of the blue because they were thinking about you? Did someone leave a note behind for you to read? Was it a random act of kindness, a thoughtful connection, or running an errand for you that you didn't want to do? Was it showing up to someone's event or appointment when it was inconvenient, giving that perfect piece of advice, or delivering some good news? Chances are, these moments will make other people's day too. One way to be a day maker is to create these moments. You can make a habit of reaching out to people and being thoughtful, and you'd be surprised to learn just how far a little effort goes. But beyond that, this can become more of a lifestyle that's part of everything you do. I call this serving the moment. Often there are times where you don't know how to make someone's day until the opportunity is presented to you. When you carry the intention to be generous, present, and helpful into every moment of the day, you'll naturally take action in ways that make people's day. This is just one way to be abundant, to give what you have to offer. Your love, kindness, listening, encouragement, guidance, energy, spirit, without expectation of receiving anything in return because you know it makes the world a better place. But interestingly enough, all of those good things come back around, and you will be surrounded with people who start to make your day too. I'm Brian Ford, and you grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self-Improvement Daily.